Hey there, fixers. So this is how you change your wipers on a Subaru. Basically, all the Subarus they're the same, but there's the old style, and this is how you do it to the new style. So the old style, you grab it there, and you used to find a little, like, you used to push a button like right there, a little like clip, and you pull it down. But the new style, they come like this. You grab it, they come like that. You have to open that, pop it open, then you just stick it in, and you just pop it back on. And that's how you do it. You do the same thing for the other one. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.